narrative that is being championed by Deputy President William Ruto. Speaking in Migori during the burial of former Ndhiwa Member of Parliament and Assistant Minister Zablon Owigo Olang in Nyatike, Raila scoffed at hustler versus dynasties narrative, adding that proposals in the Building Bridges initiative will make Kenya a manufacturing nation, thus providing meaningful job opportunities to millions of jobless youth.
Ije moko tiyo negi dynasty. Ije moko togin hustle. Dynasty. Samane one culture. Tumpung culture. Magi moko kuma Kenya wa Kenya de. Geki yani nenti di moro mane itero jigoro prayo gade. Inya house. Tiko seko e kuja tia udrisa diri ilwar piny. Tiko ripi tiko ni deri. Ikema. Ogero kama toya chemba penya house kama ni rwa keji. Tio lo pie kanya. Dine de pikanya kakimpi jiru. Oge kia. Ogero kuma ai. Dike kuma ai, umyoge kuma de. Nyasai mwana kondi.
Wale ambao wanazunguka hapa na pale, wanatanga hapa na pale, wakipatia wananchi wheelbarrows kusema ya kwamba hii ni maendeleo, tafadhali fikiria tena. Sisi tunaangalia mbele.
If you see a leader who is obsessively and excessively and inordinately and passionately, without reason, without logic, pursuing power, you've got to be very careful. You've got to be very careful. Any person pursuing power, because I can tell you today, if you ask Ruto, what is the year this year? Because he's so obsessed with power, he'll tell you we are in 2022. Because that's all he dreams about.
Huyu baba unaona hapa, yeye ameshikwa na akawekwa jela because he was fighting for the interest of Kenyans. Baba has gone through hardships to ensure that we enjoy what we are enjoying today.
That's politics for you. Let us now look at the latest COVID-19 statistics in the country.